How to install the docking station. Step 1. Preparing the car for installation. Clear the car of all articles and obstructions. Remove back parcel shelf and fold the rear seats down. Headrests may need to be removed. Adjust the car's driver and passenger seat sliders to a comfortable driving position. These must not be moved once set. Step 2. Check to see if the vehicle is compatible for the docking station.
Select the appropriate legs to be used on the docking station frame. Place the frame into the boot of the car, but do not secure it at this stage.
Secure one of the outer rails, either L1 or R1, into the frame. Slide the outer rail into the grooves of the frame. Close the boot of the car gently, making sure that it closes properly and that the docking station does not hit the boot. Step 3. Securing docking station frame and position sidearms. Place metal pads in position on the boot surface. Place the docking station frame into the rear of the car and secure to metal plates using the suction pads. Move the sidearms into a position where they can reach each side of the car. Step 4. Installing two outer rails, L1 and R1.
Now insert L1 ramp into the docking station frame, ensuring that the outer edge of the rails slide into the black grooves. Push until it clicks securely in place.
Go to the front of the rails and lower the legs on the outer rails, R1 and L2, until the legs make contact with the seat and the ramp is at least horizontal. Each leg has numbered level indicators. Ensure that the leg on the outer rail is now set to the same level. Step 5. Installing two inner rails, L2 and R2. Once the dial is set to the red position, slide the inner rails marked R2 into R1 and L2 into L1. Push them into the outer rails. Once both inner rails are inserted, turn the dial on R1 and L1 to the green position. Step 6. Connecting the central bar.
Connect the centre bar to each outer rail, L2 and R2. Push up into the moulded section of the outer rails until it is fully clicked into place.
Step 7. Installing front support arms. Pull the horizontal side arms from L1 and R1 so that they protrude over the rear seats. Then install the front support arms by clipping them into the ends of the horizontal support arms and adjust the height. Plates should fit securely under the seats. Step 8. Check. Finally, check that the docking station ramps operate smoothly and correctly. OK labels and green indicators will indicate the ramps are fully extended.